G'day everyone, and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. And look what we have growing just down beneath this old log. Look at that. A little tiny mushroom just in here. There he is. How awesome is that? So it's growing in there. It's growing on this old eucalyptus stump, which actually has some new growth coming out of it, so it may not be fully dead. But yeah, you've got to have really good eyes sometimes for finding fungi in the wild. Old log there. Now if there's one thing which I think's known around the world, it's that old logs are not always a problem. Old logs, yes, if they land on your own house, but for nature, logs like these provide safe havens and places for shelter and protection from predators and the environment around them. I have found some really awesome mushrooms. These fungi right here are what we call the ghost mushroom or ghost fungi. Even during the day, they're quite a pretty looking thing. Got oranges in them, bit of blue, bit of red, if you look real closely. The amazing thing about these is that at night they glow, and they really glow quite beautifully, a green. And I've actually got a video that I will be putting up on my YouTube, and I will perhaps come back to this spot before it's too late, and I'll try and get some night video of these incredible glowing fungi at night. They're called the ghost mushroom because, generally speaking, they're obviously hard to find, firstly. Secondly, when they do glow, to the human eye, they look like a white sort of iridescence. They don't glow a green. It's only on the cameras that they will glow that green colour. Have a look under there. There you go. There's the underside of a little bit of them where I can get to. And they're growing all around the base of this eucalyptus here. It's quite a large eucalyptus tree. And yeah, these will probably be, I don't know, probably live for about a week or two before they tend to die off. But yeah, we'll just move that little twig there and have a look at that. There you go. So that, everyone, is the Omphalotus nidiformis, also known as the ghost mushroom. And there, everyone, is the city of Adelaide through that little gap in the gullies. But this, to me, beats any city experience, right? I absolutely adore nature and the incredible creatures and plants and fungi that grow in it. Look what we have just down near my feet. These are beautiful. I don't know what species they are. Here's a great example of fungi living in the little sidewalls of this walking trail. Check out these. They're all hiding in there. There's a few. Check out the hollow in this tree. Here's that big log that I showed you all earlier in the video. Check out what's growing on it. Lots of moss and lichens and, oh, okay, Well, that's unusual. Someone's put something there. What on earth is in that, I wonder? I don't know whether I should open that up. I think I should. Okay, so I got the box open. It is a geocache. How cool is that? And it's something that people do a lot in Australia. Basically, yeah, you can go around with a map and clues, and you can try and find this for yourself. I've discovered it accidentally. Typical me, right? But yeah, it's like an old, almost like an ammunition case. I don't know what you'd call this kind of box. But pretty cool. Took a little bit to get it open too. Anyway, I'll put it back. So a couple of other little ones here. These are browny red colour. Very pretty. Look at the gills on them. Incredible. Another one here that's kind of a yellowy, goldy top. And this little cousin next to it here. I'll just try and move some of this. There we go, look at that. Isn't that cool? Check out these little red ones growing next to those bigger brownie looking ones. Plenty of fungi around and some beautiful pink flowers here. Don't know what they're called, but aren't they just gorgeous? Have a look at what's growing here. We have some more fungi. These, if I can take them out very carefully without damaging them, check them out. Wow, they're like little jellies. They're actually almost see-through. How cool is that? And they feel like jellies too. That's what you can see if you come up to the Adelaide Hills, and specifically to Cleland National Park. These kinds of things are growing everywhere.